you're a customer and you're trying to sell your product to the customer, remember, you will encounter objection number 1, which is the product objection. Having successfully handled the first objection, you are bound to arrive at station number 2, which is objection number 2. What is the price? And more often than not, irrespective of whatever price you ask, you provide to the customer will say, no, this price is so high. I have tried offering the best of prices in my sales career, and whatever price I offer to the customer often says, no, the price is high. And this is objection number 2. The price is high. So when the customer says the price is high, what do I do with the salesperson? Do I start arguing with the customer? No, sir, the price is not high. I have sold at this price to so many customers and they are happy with me. No, sir, the price is not high because the company has spent so much money in producing this product. So how could I go below this price? No, sir, this price is correct for you. I'm sure you can afford it, and so on and so forth. Whenever you try to give these arguments to the customer, remember, it doesn't satisfy the customer. So when the customer says the price is way too high, don't try to prove that the price is not high, because any price that you offer to the customer is actually high. The price is not high. You have to start asking the customer, all right, if you feel that this price is high, what kind of expectation that you have in your mind for this price? What is your price expectation? And with that price, what are the kind of features that you want this product to support for you? What am I doing? I'm not arguing with the customer on the price. The customer has said that the price is high. I say, all right, if you feel the price is high, quietly I tell to myself, all right, I'll come later and tell you whether this price is high or not. But right now, let me understand, what is it that you have in your mind? Let me understand, what is playing in your mind right now? What kind of price do you have in your mind? What kind of price expectation you have in your mind? And is it actually a price expectation, or you don't at all need this product and you're just trying to escape me by saying that the price is high? I will never say that the price is not high. I will quietly say, all right, if you don't like this price, what kind of price expectation you have? Remember the from to approach. So what is the from position of the customer? Understand that, and then quietly take the customer to the to position. So when you don't argue on the price objection, customer like you. Customer says, all right, this guy is not behaving like a typical roadside salesperson. He is trying to understand me. He is trying to analyze me, and is trying to understand my expectation, and then probably he will do a good match of a product for me or a service for me. So next time you hear that price is high, don't get baffled, don't get annoyed, don't get frustrated. The price may be high for the customer right now, but when you do a from to approach, very shortly customer would be talking to you on the final price and the final discount. So the first price that you give to the customer is always high for the customer. That's objection number 2. Enjoy the objection, enjoy handling the objection. I'm sure you would be able to take the customer from milestone number 1, which was objection number 1, your product is not good. Coming forward, objection number 2, your price is not good. Handle this objection, because you still have 2 more stations to pass, which is objection number 3 and objection number 4. If you complete this journey for a customer, I'm sure you would be sitting next time with the customer signing the order for yourself. Happy selling.